Yes, sir. So now we have taken care of that and we will do the demonstration. So in this, we have supplying from irrigation. And it will be last time we were not having this.
आज म्हाका दिसता हे बोगमालो एक व्हडलो दीस जावन आसा. आय कॉल इट अ रेड लेटर डे बिकॉज सायंटिफिकली एक ल्हान धाकटुले पंचायतीन बोगमालो सारखे पंचायतीन हे शेड तुमी पळयल्या मटेरियल रिकवरी फेसिलिटी हॅज बीन क्रिएटेड आनी आफ्टर सेग्रिगेशन ऑफ द वेस्ट एट सोर्स wet garbage and dry garbage. Dry garbage is taken care of Waste Management Corporation or Pollution Control Board. They only have to make the baling and all that of plastics and other material and keep it in one place where they will lift it. And the handling of wet waste, which is going to result in more compost being formed, which is valuable manure, I should say, for the plants and trees. हे आमचे बोगमालोय सायंटिफिक मॅनेजमेंट गार्बेज करपा खातीर आमचे लोकांनी इनिशिएटीव घेवन पंचायतीन इनिशिएटीव फुडाकार घेतलेलो आसा. हालींच हांवें असली फेसिलिटी कुडचोरे केल्ले तेजे फुडें ओल्ड गोवा केल्ले उणेच उणे 10 पंचायतींनी ही फेसिलिटी आमी तयार केला. आतां एक थोडेच दिसांनी चिखलेय हांव तेजे उद्घाटन करपाचें आसा. बिगर MRF इज देर, बिगर प्लांट इज देर. 5 TPD plant is going to be set up there, and here the equipment for treating of wet waste 500 kg each. That particular facility is the machines have already arrived, and you have seen this beautiful shed. So definitely collecting of garbage on a scientific in a scientific manner is taking place in entire Goa. आम्ही 120 कोटी रुपया मोडटा 40 पंचायतीचे. Ultimately, all 191 panchayats will be covered. Each and every panchayat will be covered. पण जे कोणाकडे ऑलरेडी लँड आहा, जे पंचायतीकडे ऑलरेडी त्यांनी पेपर वर्क केला, शेड बांधला, MRF फॅसिलिटी क्रिएट केला, आम्ही दुसऱ्याही त्यांना सवलती दिता आणि ऑन एन एव्हरेज वी आर स्पेंडिंग समथिंग लाईक 1.5 crore per पंचायत. सो फर्स्ट फेज that is called Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Part 2. which is at present being implemented. 10 पंचायत हांवें सांगले तशें पयले घेतला. 40 ते फेजान आसा. 40 पंचायत उरला ते फुल 191 आमी तितून घेतले.
People inducting in the BJP, anything on that, sir? Political development.
See, as you have seen, there are so many people joining the BJP. आमचेच हिंगा मुरमुगांव तालुक्यान हाल्ली आमचे दाजी सालकर जॉइन जाले आणि तेन्ना आमी सांगिल्ले नॉर्थाकूय आनी जॉइन जावपा आसा आनी बोथ नॉर्थ एंड साउथ जायते लोक जॉइन जावपाक सोदता म्हणून. नॉर्था आतां जयेश सालगांवकर जॉइन जालो आनी हेच भाशेन आनी कितलेच सांग व्हडले मिडियम हांव म्हणपाचें व्हडले लिडर मध्यम लिडर जॉइन जावपाक सोदता. बाकीचे बारीक लिडर जायते जाण जॉइन जाताच. हे कित्याक जॉइन जाता तांकां खबर आसा एकूच पार्टी which can deliver to the people, whether in terms of development, jobs, schemes, help from central government. That's why it is called double engine government, because हिंगाय तोच आसल्यार सरकार थिंगाय सेम आसल्यार बऱ्या पडटा. तेका लागून जायते जाण आमकां जॉइन जावपाक सोदता आनी हे कितें दाखोवन दिता की एक वेव तरी नासलो जाल्यार वेवा भाशेन सपोर्ट लोकांचो वेगळे वेगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींसून आमकां दिसपा येता. आनी म्हाका दिसता बाय द टायम इलेक्शन्स आर नियर एंड इलेक्शन्स एक्चुअली डू टेक प्लेस, यू विल हॅव ऑल सेक्शन्स ऑफ द पीपल, लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द पीपल, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स wearing around and going around the BJP party, because this is a party with a difference. Difference has been made to the Goans with the amount of development that has taken place in entire Goa, and it is a party which has got a vision, a definite goal for the people of Goa.
Sir, anything on the Ravi Naik front? There is news that Ravi Naik could also join by tomorrow.
See, I don't want to comment on certain individuals, but I want to say, the name what you have mentioned is a big name. He is the ex-chief minister, ex-leader of opposition, and held so many other positions. He was leader of the movement where Munkariyal Act was enacted. So if people like him want to join or think of joining, his sons have already joined BJP, that itself speaks everything, no? And कितें उलोवपाची कितें गरज आहा?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
हमारे फैसिलिटी लागून आमी बोगमालो village, actually we was having a problem with the garbage for a very long time. We were having a problem with the garbage, and then we tried to give our best. Then we approached sir, and we tried to. The thing is, what we did not have a land in our village, and then it was Raymond Carvalho who came forward out of his way and gave us a piece of land, 500 square meters of land, to put up this shed. And with the help of sir, we had an BDO, dynamic BDO, who could get the process done to Swachh Bharat Mission, and all these funds were raised by central government. And it was around crores of rupees which was spent for this shed, as well as for the machinery which was put up, and all types of machineries are put up, and now our village is going to be a model village.
Given instructions.